Counseling for personality development. Life is about breaking our personal limits and outgrowing ourselves to live our best lives. Education is a primary driving force of personal growth. Besides the normal curriculum, special training towards soft skills is a requirement for the growth of personality development and also to meet the current employment scenario. A man who works with his hands is a laborer. A man who works with his hands and his brain is a craftsman. But a man who works with his hands, with his brain, and with his heart is an artist. If you believe in yourself, anything is possible. For improvement of self confidence, don't compare with others, be unique. Be a better communicator. Overcome stage fear. Improve public speaking skills. Face interviews confidently. Conquer fear. Fear is one of the biggest obstacles to success in any field. Fear of situations, fear of meeting new people, fear of failure, fear of facing interviews, and especially speaking in public is one of the biggest fears in people today. Is there a way to overcome all these? Yes. Practice effective techniques and practical tools to manage stress, fear, and nervousness. Overcome from your inhibitions and increase confidence. Courage to face up your dreams. For that, you need awareness of communication, interpersonal skills, and public speaking skills. The art of interacting with others is known as interpersonal behavior. Interpersonal skills are one of the top criteria used to evaluate candidates. Without interpersonal skills, everyday business would be very difficult, since almost aspects of work involve communication. These are the key interpersonal skills to equip students with employability skills and to enhance their prospect of placements. Communication skills include LSRW skills, self-confidence, positive attitude, self-esteem, self-discipline, time management, goal setting, teamwork abilities, leadership qualities, work ethics, sustainability, problem solving, etc. The ability to convey or share ideas and feelings effectively is known as communication skill. Everybody needs good communication skills and must be able to work well with others. Improve your verbal skills: listening, speaking, reading, and writing. Among four skills, listening is most important aspect that initiates the path of other three skills. In my view, the root cause for communication failure lies in the fact that majority of people don't listen to understand the matter. People listen to reply without understanding the matter. This is the biggest communication problem. Self-confidence means self-assurance. To establish true self-confidence, we must concentrate on our success and forget about the failures and the negatives in our lives. An important trait of every person for success is positive attitude. A positive attitude is an optimistic mindset that focuses on the good. Positive thinking is the background of the modern philosophy of living a successful and happy life. It is beneficial to both mental and emotional health. Surround yourself with positive people. Fill your mind with positive input. Be nice to other people. Be curious and embrace learning. Keep smiling. Smiling releases feel-good hormones like endorphins and serotonin. Belief and confidence in ability is called self-esteem. Self-esteem refers to how you feel about yourself overall. It heavily influences people's choices and decisions. With self-esteem, people will take care of themselves and explore their full potential. Self-esteem develops from experiences. Self-discipline is a key to many doors. Self-discipline means self-control, which is a sign of inner strength and control of yourself, your actions and your reactions. It gives you the power to stick to your decisions and follow them through without changing your mind. An important trait which many fail to maintain in regular life is time management. It is a great task which we observe in the life of great people. The secret of their success is perfect management of time. Management of time is a thinking skill which helps in the process of planning and exercising conscious control of time spent on specific activities, especially to increase effectiveness. For completing a task, prepare action plan to do, select priority list in action plan and start to do until you reach achievement. Goal setting is a powerful process for thinking about ideal future. Life without a goal, especially life of student, is similar to a threadless kite. We can't predict its destination. It can be guided by criteria such as SMART criteria, which defined as keeping goal should be S for specific, M for measurable, A for achievable, R for realistic, and T for time bound. A goal without a plan and its implementation is just a wish. Teamwork abilities. Teamwork means cooperation among those who are working on a task. It is generally said to be as the willingness of a group of people to work together to achieve a common aim. Leadership is the most important trait to become a leader in work area. Leadership is the art of motivating a group of people to act towards achieving a common goal. Work ethics are set of values centered on importance of work and manifested by determination or desire to work hard. Work ethics involve characteristics such as attitude, behavior, respect, communication, interaction, honesty, not lying, cheating, and stealing, accountability, taking responsibilities, and valuing what others do. Sustainability means suffering to exist in different unpleasant or painful surroundings for a long time. Problem solving is the process of finding solutions to difficult or complex issues. Problem solving skills can be separated as smart work and hard work. Spontaneous decision making capacity by using own intelligence is called as smart work. The knowledge learned through education, information, experience to resolve any problem is called hard work. The key to success is to keep growing in all areas of life: physical, mental, emotional, as well as spiritual. For personality development, one should be physically fit, mentally alert, intellectually sharp, emotionally well balanced, and spiritually elated. How to be physically fit? The answer is any type of regular physical activity can improve your fitness and your health. The important thing is that you keep moving. Exercise should be a regular part of your day. Whatever you choose, make sure it includes aerobic activity that makes you breathe harder and increases your heart rate. This is the best type of exercise because it increases your fitness level and makes your heart and lungs work better. It also burns off body fat. Examples of aerobic activities are basketball, running, or swimming. A healthy lifestyle. In addition to exercise, making just a few other changes in your life can help to keep you healthy, such as watch less TV or spend less time playing video games, chatting in WhatsApp, Facebook, etc. Instead, use this time for exercise. Eat 3 healthy meals a day, including fruits, vegetables, and dairy products. Avoid junk food and fast food because they are full of fat and cholesterol. Maintenance of healthy lifestyle leads to success. Here I want to say about a flying fish and most successful athlete of games known as Michael Fred Phelps, an American competitive swimmer, most successful and most decorated Olympian of all time. Record-breaking performances have earned him the World Swimmer of the Year award 8 times and American Swimmer of the Year award 11 times and so many other awards. He won 66 gold medals, 14 silver medals, 3 bronze medals and set 39 world records. It is truly great, more than 100 medals and records ever won by one person. With all his achievements, he is often considered the greatest swimmer of all time. According to International Swimming Federation, FINA, Michael Fred Phelps is the fastest swimmer in the world. Think a minute how much perseverance hidden behind that success and also how much he focused on healthier lifestyle. Excellence is a continuous process and not an accident. Motivation is an important part of anyone's life. Motivation keeps you going. Abdul Kalamji quotes motivate students for success. Dream is not the thing you see in sleep, but is that thing that does not let you sleep. End is not the end. In fact, END means effort never dies. Mentally alert is the second trait in personality development. Mentally alert means be with clarity in every issue along with the superimposition of brain, that is having good memory. When will a student be with clarity? The answer is by studying the lives of prominent and eminent people and reading books authored by them. Prominent people means who are famous, and the eminent people who are in superior position. For having good memory, revision is very important. Only academic curriculum can't stand you as a great person. The books that help you the most are those that make you think the most. The hardest way of learning is that of easy reading. A great book that comes from a great thinker is a ship of thought with truth and beauty. So, be a lifelong learner. Make it a habit to read good books of great persons like the following eminent persons. APJ Abdul Kalam, former President of India, who got 3 highest civilian awards in India, Bharat Ratna, Padma Vibhushan and Padma Bhushan. List of books written by Kalam are What Can I Give, Wings of Fire, Ignited Minds, India 2020, My Journey, Turning Points, etc. Read about life of Marie Curie, the first woman to win a Nobel Prize, the first person to win 2 Nobel Prizes, the only woman to win in 2 fields, and the only person to win in multiple sciences. How she focused so hard on her studies to develop the theory of radioactivity, discovery of polonium and radium. She got Nobel Prize both in physics and chemistry. Read about life of Nelson Mandela, a man who struggled to display respect to all, and who got Nobel Prize, Bharat Ratna, and more to know about extraordinary humanity. And he was an icon of democracy and social justice. He received more than 250 honors. He is held in deep respect within South Africa and described as the father of nation. Read books about Lal Bahadur Shastri, second Prime Minister of India, who was known for honesty and humility throughout his life. He gave the motto Jai Jawan, Jai Kisan and developed Green Revolution. Know the life of Helen Keller, how she overcame the adversity of being blind and deaf to become one of the 20th century's leading humanitarians. Keller received 8 honorary doctoral degrees from 8 great universities. Read successful life story of Kiran Bedi, a retired IPS officer who told students to build on time and energy they have and use them to add value to their lives to be self-reliant. List of books written by Kiran Bedi are Himmat Hai, Creating Leadership, It's Always Possible, Empowering Women, Dare to Do, etc. Dear students, remember, genius are not born but made. Know do's and don'ts for every work. Follow do's and eliminate don'ts. I did mistake, but is a bit of poison. Don't say sorry for everything. Try to do without mistakes. I did it. Kindly forgive me. Be courageous to do everything. Aspire, inspire, achieve. The third trait of personality development is intellectually sharp. How should be intellectually sharp? Intellectually sharp, one of the best traits which no human being can possess. Sharp means mentally alert. It implies a clever and smart quality with a sharp mind, intelligence and keen observation. Intelligence means not only sharp, alert and active but also able to reason and understand. One can be intellectually sharp by reading books. Most people do not listen with the intent to understand. They listen with the intent to reply. Intellectually sharp means having enhanced listening skills. Strategies for enhanced listening: having a definite objective of listening, get rid of distractions, being patient, empathize with the speaker, don't interrupt, don't prejudge, concentrate on what the speaker speaks, understanding non-verbal cues, don't react emotionally, practice taking notes and cultivate positive body language, etc. Example for best listener is Durgabai Deshmukh. She was an Indian freedom fighter, criminal lawyer, social worker and politician. She was a member of the Constituent Assembly of India and of the Planning Commission of India. 12 years old, Durgabai was influenced by Mahatma Gandhi when she met him in Kakinada in 1921. At small age, with her excellent listening skills, she understood the aim of freedom fight. She educated her total family to eliminate Western wear and decided to wear only khadi. She decided to quit school, arguing against the imposition of English. Later, she led Salt Satyagraha movement. She was spent for 3 years in jail. After completing her law degree, she started an adult literacy program. Her efforts placed her at steering committee in assembly debates. She motivated Citizen Balika Hindi Prachar Sabha. Her self-confidence, accident initiation, and enhanced listening skills placed her in high position. Best book written by Durga Bai, which must be read not only by students but also by every person, is Stones That Speak. The fourth important trait of personality development, emotionally well balanced. Emotional balance is the ability of mind and body to maintain equilibrium and flexibility in the face of challenge and change. Emotional balance promotes health and is a prerequisite for personal well-being and growth. Don't underestimate your power and energy and determination. You don't justify your caliber with negative thoughts. Strong determination along with thinking is a tip for success. When you want to become balanced, ask yourself, your consciousness will tell you that I am not balanced. Then you listen to your consciousness. As day and night I am just immersed in enjoyment like watching TV, playing cricket, chatting by using different apps in cell phone, playing video games. Now decide like I have to do justice to my work and duty. Enjoyment in life is like salt in food. Anybody like too much salt in food?
No!
To be emotionally healthy, balanced, you can spend 5% of your time on devotional discourses like guidance for students, value of time, personality development, etc. You should read the Knowledge Facts book. Excellence is not a gift but a skill that takes a practice. We do not act rightly because we are excellent. In fact, we achieve excellence by acting rightly. Human behavior flows from three main sources: desire, emotion, and knowledge. I repeat, human behavior flows from three main sources: desire, emotion, and knowledge. Don't label yourself that I can never handle this, I can never do that. Practice can make stones melt. You should not curse. Don't think bad. Don't say bad words out of your mouth. Don't allow filthy words to flow out of your mouth. If you can embrace the embarrassment, nothing can shake you. Among youth, lot of anger, frustration and depression, suicidal attempts also happening. These youth should be guided for inner peace. Unique breathing system in yoga which harmonize the body, mind and emotions. Breathing technique eliminates stress, fatigue and negative emotions such as anger, frustration. Intellectually we know everything, but when that moment comes, negativity comes like a flood. It just throws all your knowledge. Best example for this type of negativity is 2014 Bias River disaster. Refers to the 8th June 2014 drowning of all 24 ill-fated group of second year engineering students. Students along with faculty members of the college were on an excursion trip to Manali. When on their way, they decided to get down and walk the river for merrily taking photos. The tragedy struck in a matter of only 2-3 minutes as they were washed away in the swirling waters which suddenly rose several feet. Keep smiling. Broaden your vision. Know that life is much bigger than small events that takes place in your life. The fifth trait of personality development is spiritually elevated. For personality development, along with physical and mental fitness, spirituality also one of the requirements for every individual. Spirituality is linked to many important aspects of human functioning. Spiritual people have positive relationships, high self-esteem, are optimistic. They have meaning and purpose in life. Spiritual people self-actualize. Spiritual practices are associated with better health and well-being. Spirituality can be achieved by educating students. We need to change mindset among students to embrace everyone with affection. We tell to students, don't feel bad, don't get depressed, don't be jealous, don't be greedy, and don't get angry. But we don't tell them how not to depressed, how not to undergo all these emotions. Be consistently compassionate, be humble, get good at being uncomfortable, be a relationship builder, do the inner work. All leadership in life begins with leadership of self. For that, respect your time, nurture your body, communicate with nature, and commit from your core to elevating the way you think, feel, and live. Winners don't do different things, they do things differently. Don't give up. Life tests the big dreamers. The passionate revolutionaries. Real leadership is not about prestige, power, or status. It is about responsibility. For accomplishing the impossible as I am possible, work harder or smarter occasionally. Improve your perseverance. Perseverance means in Telugu, Dhruti Pattudala. Insight, Vichakshana Drushti. Resolve, Sankalpam. Distance vision, Dura Drushti. Consciousness, Mati. Raise your level of competence. Keep improving. Follow through excellence. Accomplish more than expected. Highly competent people always go to the extra mile. Keep going when others stopped. Work with persistence and determination and try to avoid temptation. Some persons who have all organs are dormant and the disabled choose the implant they want to achieve. Here, I want to introduce a unique artist who is a best example for personality development. Dhaval Khatri lost both his hands at the age of 14 and his school asked him to leave saying that you are of no use. But no such obstacle could stop him from continuing his education, writing all his exams himself, playing guitar and finally painting, calling himself an artist not by choice but by chance, who has made 300 paintings till now. It is very important to know his story. It was Sankranti festival season. He was flying kites. While flying the kite, somehow he held his hands on an electrical wire instead of kite flying thread. With the huge electric shock, he fell down on the road from the terrace, and as a result, his hands were badly burnt. As a result, both of his hands were amputated. With that, he realized that life would continue to be difficult. Soon he was trained to do everything without hands. Instead of motivating, principal of the school discouraged him saying that without hands, education is just a dream for you. But he wanted to continue studying and was enrolled in another school. His mom made him practice holding a pen or a pencil. Gradually, he turned to sketching and painting. For 6 full months, he dedicated himself towards painting and got grip on it. After completion of graduation, he applied at different universities for a course in painting, but each university rejected him. So he started doing painting without any guidance. So far, he had done around 300 paintings. He has also been part of many television shows. He got lot of orders from around the world. He had also performed live painting shows all over Gujarat and also in Mumbai. A very good message from his real story. There is no such word as impossible in this world. It has been used by those people who give up easily. If a person with no hands can paint and play guitar, then people with no disability can do wonders to the world. Personality development will not come with only education. It is a gradual process of improvement in traits of individual behavior, like slow blossom of a flower from its bud stage. It is not possible in single day. Many important traits of individual behavior must be gradually acquired with continuous practice in life. For reaching goals successfully, the distractions are favorable enemies and unfavorable enemies. Favorable enemies means work which dominates our consciousness, like watching cricket match, movie, etc. during examinations time. Or unfavorable enemies, addicting to bad habits which prevent concentration. Don't behave to regret at the final day of judgment. Don't show interest on unfavorable issues. Reading is essential for those who seek to rise above the ordinary. Make reading of good books as your habit.